up, everybody? It's J&K Stay in Vegas, but guess what? We're outside.
We're outside.
Yay!
Gloves. I'm going to rob everybody. See,
yeah,
masks.
Social distancing. We are being responsible. We got masks on. We got gloves on. Blue Man Group here. Hi. And
hello.
so yeah, we are down here right now at Container Park downtown. This is the first day that they are open.
Yep.
And we're going to do a tour of Container Park. We're also going to check out Fremont Street and specifically see if we can get a glance at the Circa down here and see how building progress is going. And also El Cortez, some of the other things that are under construction.
Saw them when we came in.
Yeah.
So look it, I talk and it falls.
Yeah, it's a beautiful day out. It's 87 here in Vegas. We're gonna take a quick walk through Container Park right now. Come along with us. It's J&K. Let's have some fun. Folks, well, we've checked out Container Park. We're going to check out to see what's open and see about getting some good news out there. All right, let's go. Guys, so we are walking up. Where are we? We're actually on Fremont Street.
We're on Fremont.
So we got Kay back there, pulling it in, keeping it all safe.
With my blue gloves.
Got the masks on. It's the only way to go right now.
Yeah, but I can't breathe.
It is not very hot today.
No.
It's only about 87.
Yeah.
But when you got the sun coming right down on you.
Yep, nope. Yep,
kind of dripping. So you can only imagine what it's going to be like come next month.
I don't know. It feels like a week. I looked at my Facebook today, in time, whatever, on this day. It was 101.
101.
Yeah, like last year or the year before. So we're lucky.
Now normally this would just be packed with people.
Jam-packed.
Like a busy day at Disneyland. But White Castle's open?
I was going to say, it says open 24 hours. Now the sign says open on the door.
And Nacho Daddy down there, looks like they're open. But let's get a peek of an empty Fremont Street. The very end there is where Circa is. And we're going to go check that out. There's the D. And obviously overhead is the big LED Fremont Street Experience sign. So you got a guy out there, he's sanitizing all the trash cans. That's cool. Doing all that. Look at all the stuff that Las Vegas is doing to protect you when you come back. Well, guys, we are by the D right here, and we're exploring downtown, and Kay's down there. Hi, Kay.
I can't hear you with that guy behind me.
She's got her mask off right now to kind of keep cool. We got nobody around, so you can see down the street. So we are on our way up the backside of Fremont Street, see what else we can find. look at him.
Yeah, well, I think he's got a place to be.
Yeah, not like the rest of us. Well, here we are at Casino Center Drive and Carson Avenue. This is the precipice of Golden Nugget main entrance, and it's currently all boarded up. But
the heavens opened.
So we might be able to see down there by Binion, so we're gonna go explore, check it out. Not too many people out here, so
yay. Let's
continue on, okay? So folks, we are just at a bus bench.
Wait for the bus. Not.
Just had to take the masks off and get in the shade. It's kind of warm when you're walking directly in the sun.
And no excuse, but I'm really claustrophobic, and I'm used to wearing masks actually because medically I need to every once in a while, but it's usually indoors,
yep.
Not outdoors, and so, woo! But you know, just gotta sit down.
I think when it's 100-some degrees, you'll probably be watching a lot of hotel walkthroughs. So guess what, folks? Guess what's up there with those two cranes? That's the top of the new Circa. Let's see if we can get closer. Side of Fremont Street.
Oh my gosh, it feels so nice in the shade. I'll be right down there.
Now, this is the place where you see in many movies and everything, this sidewalk, crosswalk, is always slammed with tons of people. This time of day would just be slammed to people. And the Golden Nugget. Sandboyd's Fremont Hotel. Plaza at the very end, and Circa right over there on the right corner. And we're gonna see how close we can get. I wonder how old this neon sign is. Bottled liquor newsstand.
The lamp alone.
If you know how old this sign is, let us know in the comments below. So we turned on Ogden. Got the California Casino coming up here. And all this construction. That kind of half circle. So look at this, everybody. We have a walkway that's been created over to the new parking structure. How cool is this, okay?
Very.
It's quite interesting outside the plaza here. Looks like a lion, I think.
Yeah.
The back of this truck.
Looks like metallic confetti air.
Here's the typically the opening of the plaza with Oscar's restaurant above.
So good. Recommendation: go to Oscar's for steak. Other food is amazing.
And we got a nice shot of what will be the front entrance, or one of the entrances, I guess you should say.
Yeah.
Of the new Circa, with the tower up there.
That is so awesome.
And I think when we were coming down here, I think we can get a glimpse of a sign that is lit up. So we're gonna go check that out. Well, folks, that's going to do it for us here at J&K Stay in Vegas. We hope you've enjoyed this walk around Fremont Street
I'm smiling.
and our first opening day of Container Park. I want to say thank you to all our new subscribers. We hit 200 subscribers.
Yay! Confetti! Yay!
Thank you for your support. We hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Also, hit that notification bell that'll alert you to every time we post a new video just like this one or we go live. Again, thank you to all of the subscribers that have subscribed so far. And if you haven't, what are you waiting for? Yeah, got that Circa in the background. We can't wait till it's open. Until the next time, J&K Stay in Vegas. We'll see you then.
Bye!